I also got these grill brushes here. Sorry, it's like really dark. It's raining outside. I don't have electricity in here, but we're gonna take the handles off of these and take these to the next blacksmith meeting and pedal them off. But you can see, no, I didn't pay that. This one, you read upside down, $42.59. Let's just do it. Yep. I think all these together was less than that. So we got some coarse bristles, got some fine bristles. So let's get these done. All right, got them all apart. So I got 8 these coarse brushes, 2 of these fine, and a whole bunch of handles that I can put up and find a use for. So I'll take these to the next blacksmith meet in January. If you're interested in one, let me know. Thanks, bye.